The lightning ladder breaks 4 core topics into tiny steps, turning daunting math formulas, reading passages, grammar rules, and science ideas into manageable clues. Each segment presents a clear concept, a quick tip, and a concrete example that sticks without overwhelming busy schedules. It highlights common pitfalls like careless arithmetic, misreading passages, comma splices, and confusing science graphs with simple fixes. Listeners see practical study strategies such as spaced practice, active retrieval, and targeted drills aligned to SAT and ACT formats. The tone stays encouraging, showing busy students how 15-minute sessions can lift scores through steady, focused effort.